Hello and welcome to the most trusted review channel on the YouTube. Wait, I'm unboxing it. Welcome to my unboxing of the Clek Fllo car seat. So today we're going to be unboxing the Clek Fllo car seat. I just got it in the mail today. It's the 2018, I forget what it's called. It's on the other side of the box. TokiDoki. So, I forget what it's called. I'll put it in the title. It's the 2018 print, basically. So, Clek is a Canadian brand. Pretty much why I bought it. Also, it is one of the more safe car seats, I guess you could say. I know all car seats are tested to the same standard, but of course, some companies can make their seats safer by adding additional measures. So let's get right into it. I've already opened the box for ease of the review, so here we go. Okay, so it's called TokiDoki. Oh God, I hope I'm saying that right. I'm such a poser. Unicorn Disco. So let's get into it. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Can you guys see that print? Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is how it comes. It actually came right in this box too, and there's like little handles. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. Little handles in the box so that you can carry it. So my mail lady was very happy about that. So this is the headrest. So I guess I'll just throw that over there for now. And then the seat itself. Okay, this might be harder than I thought it would be. Okay. Whoa. It's so heavy. So this is the seat itself, and obviously it's plastic wrapped. So I'll take it out of the plastic. Ooh. Okay, so one of the reasons I got this seat was because of the material. The prints are a little bit more money than the regular Clek seats. But the other ones that I saw at Bye Bye Baby were kind of like a terry cloth material, which I just thought was strange, like kind of weird. So this is more like, almost like a suede feeling, but it's definitely not suede, obviously. So here are, what is this? So this is the, recall thing that you send in, you fill out and send in. So it has a 1 to 2 year extended warranty if you register online for within 90 days. Okay, I'll definitely do that. And then obviously the instruction manual, which honestly I'm not a big instruction reader. Like I don't think I've ever really, like I usually just throw the instructions away, but I think if there's one thing that you actually read the instructions for, it should be your child's car seat. So I will definitely be reading this because honestly, they're kind of impossible to install correctly unless you actually read this. So definitely give it a read. So it's kind of cool how they have this. Okay, this is kind of hard to open. Which is funny because I think the chest clip is supposed to like, well, not supposed to. I don't know. I've read that the chest clip is designed to break upon impact, but I could be wrong. I just read that on the internet, so who knows. So this is the bar that goes onto the front of the car seat for when you're rear facing. So obviously Evie is like 5 months old, so she's going to be rear facing for quite a long time. The seat comes with these, I guess these are called, what are these called? Shoulder pads? I don't know. If they're on like a Tula carrier, they're called drool pads or suck pads. So anyways, they come off really easily. They're just like buttoned. And oh my goodness, I actually cannot get enough of this print. Like, it's actually gorgeous. So yeah, they come off and on really pretty easily. Did that undo? Oh my god. Okay, so maybe they come off easily, but they're not that easy to get back on. I actually can't get it on. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. There we go. So I'm really excited to install this into my car. It does have the stuff on the side. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it has lines on the side for you to install it properly at the right angle. So I think the idea is these should be lined up with the ground. So my first impressions are it's beautiful. I love the print. Evie's crying in the background because B is trying to get her down to sleep. It seems to be really good quality. Like, just, it's a really like hardy seat. It's really heavy and it seems just really well made. So I guess I will test it out in my car and let you guys know how I like it. So yeah, if you guys want to see more unboxing videos like this, please let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! So Evie did not want to go to bed, so we decided to give it a try. How do you like it, Eve? So far so good, because she was screaming her head off prior to this. I love you. I love you, kiddo. Should we take a thumbnail and then have you go back to sleep? Really though, she does look really comfortable and she seems to like it. Yeah, you seem to like it. Pretty comfy? Yeah. We're gonna have to weigh her one more time before actually putting her in this seat in the car. Just because the age, or not the age, the weight requirement is 14 pounds. And last time we weighed Evie about a month ago, she was just over 13. So we'll see if she's at that 14-pound mark. But she does look pretty good in the seat. And it's pretty comfy, eh? Yeah. Yeah, you could play with your toys, no problem, in this seat. Yeah. Love you. Okay, should we take a thumbnail and then you go to sleep? Yes. Okay. Say bye-bye, everybody. Thanks for watching my mommy's video. Bye. Yeah? Pretty good, eh? Yeah, those are unicorns. Unicorns. All over. Think she likes it?
Yeah, she looks cute in it.
Doesn't she?
Hi, babe.
Say hi, Dada.
Hi, babe.
Hi, Daddy.
So I wanted to test my seat before bed. I wasn't ready for bed yet.
Duh, I had to check my seat out. Bye. Okay, we'll work on waiting. Oh, good girl, you did it.